let's talk about terms and conditions and why it's super important to have them lined out as a cleaning business owner. As a cleaner, you make your own rules, regulations, and policies. So you clean what you feel comfortable cleaning. If you're not comfortable with scaling ladders, then tell your clients you don't scale ladders. If you're not comfortable with dealing with pets, then don't deal with pets. You are your own business owner, so you need to have it outlined what you will and will not do for X amount of money. Having terms and conditions typed out also lets the client know what to expect from you, what you will and will not clean, what you will and will not do, what your cancellation policy is, if you're running late, what a rescheduling policy is, your lockout clause, your cleaning during COVID clause, your sick policy. All that needs to be spelled out clearly so you know what you can provide and your client knows what they will receive. I like to have my terms and conditions kind of broken up into sections: a pet policy, a cleaning during COVID, a sick policy, a lockout clause. I like to have like paragraph chunks written out so that it is easy to find and that we all know what to expect from each other. And having terms and conditions typed up also kind of helps clear out any confusion, whether there's any language barriers or any bad phone signal and your client thinks that you said one thing or that you think your client said one thing and it was actually the other. Have it all written out and have forms of communication via text or emails. It's just easier having it written out so that everybody can see what's going on and there's no confusion. Thanks for checking out my video. I hope you liked it. So feel free to comment down below. I'd love to hear what you think, or if you have any questions, or what else do you want to know about eco cleaning. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, love, follow along on my YouTube channel, my Facebook page, my website, TikTok, Clapper, and Instagram, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Stay crunchy, fat, clean. Peace.